Hello and welcome to this very special video on how to digest criticism. As we all know, the criticism can be tough to take. It can make us feel small, insignificant, and even worthless. But what if I told you that criticism can actually be gift? Yes, you heard that right. Criticism can help us grow, learn, and become better versions of ourselves. So let's dive into some Sanskrit and Hindi quotes that will help us understand the power of criticism. Firstly, let's look at the Sanskrit quote Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, na bruyat, asatyamam priyam, which means speak the truth, speak pleasantly, but don't speak unpleasant truth. This quote reminds us that criticism should always be constructive and delivered in a way that's respectful and kind. It's important to remember that criticism is not an attack on our character but rather an opportunity for growth. Another Sanskrit quote that resonate with me that Atmupayen Sarvatra Samanam Pasyati Yorjuna, which means he who sees all beings in himself and himself in all beings loses all fear. This quote reminds us that we are all connected, and when we receive criticism, it's important to remember that the person giving it is not our enemy but rather someone who is trying to help us become better. Moving on to Hindi, we have the quote कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना, which means people have always something to say. It's their job to talk. This quote reminds us that we cannot control what others say about us, but we can control how we react us. And but we have to understand it is a reaction or respond. Instead of getting defensive or angry, we should take a step back and evaluate the criticism objectively. Lastly, we have the Hindi quote, कभी कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना भी पड़ता है और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, which means sometimes to win something we must lose something, and the one who wins after losing is called the champion. This quote reminds us that criticism can be stepping stone to success. Instead of seeing it as a setback, we should use it as motivation to improve and become better. So there you have it. Criticism can be tough to digest, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be a gift that helps us grow and become better version of ourselves. Remember these quotes and use them as an inspiration to take criticism in stride. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motivational views. Think more, grow more, and learn more.